Hi Brian, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I wanted to thank you again for your patience with this video. The reason I'm sending you this is I wanted to kind of show you what the top competitor was doing in the SEO category and show you what it would take to beat them out. So the three things I want to talk to you about are backlinks, citations, and content. So if we search here in Google landscaping Savannah GA, first thing we see are the paid ads at the top, then we have the map pack, and below that is the organic section. So a main ranking factor here in this area is going to be through backlinking, and all a backlink is just one website linking to another site, essentially just pushing power. So we see Savannah Landscapers, I believe it's Barrett's Landscaping. They are in the #1 position for the top keyword. So if we plug their URL into this tool that I use, we can see what they have going on and what it would take to beat them out. So we see they have 41 referring domains or other websites, giving them 128 backlinks. We see their metrics. This represents the power and the trust of a website. Ideally, these are going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 22 and 22 is a lot more ideal than 22 and 0.3. So this should be fairly easy to beat out. And of course, beating 128 links is not hard to do. So I wanted to show you the keywords that they are being found for, just to give you an idea of search volume. So we have landscaping Savannah GA. There's about 250 searches a month for that keyword. Landscapers Savannah GA, 150. Landscaping Savannah, 150. Landscaping company Savannah GA, there's 90. Savannah Landscape, that is a keyword, but it kind of sounds like a company name. So you see there's a pretty good amount of searches going on every month for people needing landscaping. So you guys don't have a website, so I obviously can't show you where you sit on Google. But if we go to their website, we see that they actually don't have very much content on their homepage, and it's good to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage, so that way you can beat them out completely in this department, because in Google's eyes, content is king, so the more you have, the better. And then pretty much you want to get lots of content on all of these service pages and all the back pages of the website. And not just any content, of course, we want relevant, keyword-rich content, and that will gain us some favor with Google. So coming back over here, citations come to play here in the map pack, and all a citation is just a business name, address, and a phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. Typically when I plug in any random business, I never see more than like 50 to 75 citations tops. So we like to add 350 over probably like 4 to 8 weeks, just so we're not doing them all at once. But we like to just go ahead and just outdo the competition completely in that department. And with the Google My Business listing, of course, you want to have it fully optimized, meaning we have a nice full description using all the characters possible. We're using the proper keywords. We have the photos uploaded and they're labeled properly. We are making posts, just being active on it as if you would on social media. Google likes that and shows favor to that. So those are the three things that will really help with SEO. So just to do a really quick recap for you, we want to get probably about 250 to 300 links to beat out this guy, because you don't want to just match him, you want to beat him out completely. Make sure our metrics are looking good and start being found for those keywords. And to do that, we would just be adding lots and lots of content to a new website, and then get the Google My Business listing fully optimized, and then go ahead and start getting citations so we can be found in the top 3 positions. All right, that is it. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to me, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day.